Code is AFS001 SIG MCX color DE. So full metal unit with markings. Ayan yung mga markings niya guys, nakatakip. May kasamang front and rear sides. Metal yung front assembly, and then may kasama siyang 120 rounds na mid-cap magazine. So naka-ambi magazine release, and then yung mga small parts niya is metal. So stock is folding with SIG markings. Ayan. And then internal parts is reinforced na. FPS out of the box is around 400 to 450. So may kasama na ring LiPo battery at saka charger sa box. And then ang price niya is 14,700. Sige, test natin to check kung ilang FPS, accurate FPS. Yan, 440 pala. Within the range pa rin naman ng 400 to 450. For details guys, PM lang kayo sa page natin, Mavs Sabi. Thank you.